Daily use English question and answer. What's your name? My name is Anna. How old are you? I am 7 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where do you live? I live in Toronto. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat cereal and milk. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 8 p.m. And do you brush your teeth every day? Yes, I brush my teeth every day. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. What's your mom's name? Her name is Sarah. What's your dad's name? His name is Peter. How many people are in your family? There are 4 people in my family. Do you have any pet? Yes. Yes, I have a cat. What do you like to do for fun? I like to play games. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. Do you travel with your family? Yes, I travel with my family. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.